girl.
You feeding your tiger?
The passengers had signed up for a tour of the harbor, and all that stuff happened.
Okay, you made your point.
She just slung that one.
Baby.
Or Meg was staying. Instead, it's just traffic and
Hey.
Now you get a drink.
Oh, God, it's worse than I imagined.
Where you going?
It would help if we just tried to track Meg's movements from the moment she arrived in France.
That's a good idea, Brian. Let's try Google Earth.
Worth a shot.
Where you going? Where's your baby? Get your baby. Go.
Wow, I never knew you could do this on a computer.
Of course not. You spend all your time on this.
Put it in your baby cart. Go.
Go find this map.
Push him around.
This was taken to the airport. Could be some sort of lookout who spots girls fresh off the plane.
You're probably right, Brian. Such scum. That they target young girls and make arms against target minorities.
Yeah.
Of the black guys, it ain't so bad.
You gonna push him around?
Oh my God, Stu, there he is.
Hey, bud, we've got a few questions for you.
Excuse me, but this is a smoking-only area.
Oh, sorry. You have a,
You know, I really only smoke when I drink. Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
Hey, you gonna go
I
play?
need to know, have you seen this girl?